How to rename a database in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click MySQL Databases. Scroll down to the table Current Databases. Here you can see all the databases created by you. Click on the Rename button provided in the same row of the database you want to rename. For instance, we want to rename example_WP, then click on the Rename button. It gives a warning and you may create a backup. I will ignore it and proceed anyway. Now replace the old name with the new name. cPanel automatically adds a prefix to the name of the database. Now click the Proceed button. Notice that the database has been renamed with the prefix. Thank you for watching.